How to install the Roshade for Roblox on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are using the Roblox shaders, Roshade is used as an installation package which makes it easy to correctly install the Roshade presets and shaders to the Roblox directory. So if you want to install and download the Roshade for Roblox on your Windows, in that case open any of your favorite browser and search for Roshade. Go to roshade.com and thereby you will see different options along with 10M plus downloads and 128 plus effects. Hereby you can scroll to see different advantages of Roblox shaders or Roshade. In order to download, you just have to tap on download Roshade option, which will download a .exe file to your Windows. After that, you just have to tap or double tap on .exe file, which will start installing the packages. Just follow the on-screen instructions and by tapping on next button and agree and continue, you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.